Never seen one of these before. I also want to thank BENFEI for sponsoring this video. What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this USB-C video audio capture card. I've never actually used one of these before. I honestly did not even know they existed. We're going to check it out. I just wanted to have this be a separate video. It may not be a very long video, but I want it to be a separate video. That way we can kind of just see what's going on here. So let me go ahead and get this thing opened up. All right, that took me way longer than I needed to, but here is the actual device. Nice and braided, very long. We've got in the box with the cable, we've got just a little user manual. Pretty basic. I'm probably not going to read it, but it's got all the stuff you need. It's got a user's manual. Kind of tells you where to plug it in, like where you can do like the diagram. You can do the USB-C to C, and then this one's going to go to your PC or laptop. This can go to phone. This would be really good if I wanted to do like Android reviews on my computer. This should hopefully work. Here's the device itself. You've got a little HD USB 3.0, and we've got a USB 3.0 to Type-C, and then we've got Type-C. So I don't know how this is going to work 100%, but what I'm tempted to do is just plug it right into my MacBook, launch OBS Studio, and see if it even recognizes it, and I'll just plug it into my phone. That's probably going to be the best bet. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to find out. So it's a pretty long cable. I'd say it's probably a little over 6 feet, which is good because you're going to want that. So let's grab my Mac, put it off to the side for now. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug this end into we plug this end into my phone. I'm hoping this doesn't stop the recording. Plug it in, and we're going to plug this end into the laptop. Yeah, mirror display. So we mirrored it, and then we're going to go to, do I have OBS on here? I don't think I have OBS Studio installed on here. That's not good. Let me install OBS Studio real quick. Alrighty, guys, so I don't know if you can hear me or not. I'll check before I obviously upload the video, but basically what you do is you just go to OBS Studio. You can plug this into your Windows PC as well. Then you just go to USB 3 video, and what I had to do to get it to work is I had to choose the 60 FPS value. And then we can just go ahead and click OK. Looks like it's sideways right now, and I don't know why it's doing that. But as you can see, it is recording. We're going to have kind of this mirroring effect going on. There's a little bit of delay I've noticed, too. You see how much delay there is. This is pretty cool, though. This would work really good for just screen recording your phone for videos and like tutorials and stuff, which I actually might use this for. This is going to be a handy thing to have. This is a really cool device. If I had another device to plug into this, I would, but I don't have anything that's Type-C. That is something I do need to obtain. I wonder if it would work for my Nintendo Switch. I'll go grab that here in a second and see if that works. All right, so I'm back. Hopefully the microphone's still working. As you can see, I have my Switch. I'm going to try to see if I can figure out how to give it access. Yeah, so I sat here and messed with it for a good few minutes. I don't think it's going to work with the Switch because Nintendo probably has a block on it because, you know, Nintendo, they don't want us to have fun. So that's basically it for the BENFEI USB-C to audio video capture card. This thing's pretty cool. I hope they keep making these actually because these are really handy for content creators. I'm going to try to see what else I can do with it. It'd be cool if it came with like a little Type-C to Lightning. That way you can plug it into like an iPhone or an iPad. Can I just record? I'm going to break the matrix, bro. This is a really bad idea. Uh-oh. Oh, it worked. That's crazy. It worked. It's using itself as a capture card. It's in a weird resolution though because it's 1080p and the max display is not 1080p. If you guys like this video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, drop a dislike. If you guys want to see me mess more with this and do different videos with this, let me know in the comments below. On Amazon, at the time we're recording this video, which is May 23rd, 2025, you can get this for $25.99 on Amazon. So I think that's well worth it, seeming how all the use cases it has. It does not work with the Switch, so I did confirm that today. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you thought it sucked, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. Link in the description if you guys want to buy this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.